No, it wasn't motor, it was ESP.
You smoked it? Oh. Oof.
And a motor.
Smell that thing, boy. She toasty. Okay. Right by my head. I'm just gonna go slow and explore, man, because can't all the explosions. There's a lot going on in this joint, dude. Do some stair climbing. Full on. Where is it, like done? All the exploration. Wonder if there's gonna be some rando like cleaning in here again this morning. What? Who does that? Who does that? Now my props are busted. Big tree to get stuck in. Do I see any people? Nope. I think it's a world's greatest slide here. Do I see? What do I see? More stairs. Let's not hit these. Oh Lord! That was a little aggressive. Saved it. Little Rubik's to a dive, blind dive. With cold, frosty fingers. There's another dive. Here. Dude, this spot is super cool. Do you have another ESC? Woo! I packed that already. So much left to explore. Tree, glass, concrete, man with a big nose. What is all this? More stairs. Sad that I crashed on the easiest little stair climb over there. 20 volts. $18 volts. She did.